Want to know how to tone your face and lift your cheekbones naturally? Stay that I teach you the best techniques to lift the cheekbones. Let's start with the exercises, but first, and very important too, all the exercises in the morning, but be careful because the last one, very effective in the evening. Very effective in the evening. I'll remind you, do not worry. Let's start with the first exercise. Right? First, a big smile, eh? Smile well. Let's see. Here we are. Okay? You see yourself in the mirror? Otherwise, you know, don't you? The feeling. And with two little fingers, let's put the middle one here, the smile, and the other one to the side. Right? Here. 30 seconds. We're going to start doing mobilizing exercises. Okay? Outward. Okay? To work the musculature of the cheekbones. Okay? That's what we're going to try. Here, I put 1, 2 there. And start activating. Don't let the smile fade away. It can come and go unexpectedly. I recently experienced it myself, so trust me. Make sure you are present in the moment, and once you're here, you'll truly feel it. Ruben, I am exhausted from these exercises, but it's all right. Pause, complete 10, and continue. However, you must strive for roughly 30. Begin with a powerful warm-up exercise to strengthen your cheekbones. The drooping of cheekbones occurs due to the depletion of collagen, elastin, and subcutaneous fat, in addition to the weakening of facial muscles caused by gravity. One reason for uneven facial sagging could be an imbalanced sleeping posture, excessive leaning on one hand, uneven muscle development, or irregular chewing patterns. Engaging in regular facial exercises can assist in maintaining firmer facial contours. Let's go to the second massage. Oriental spoon technique massage. Ruben, I don't have the spoon. Don't worry, don't worry. Take a spoon that you have nearby. If it can be a little bit big, not the small one at all. And for this, we are going to use a little bit of oil. Good. Easy, eh? I have some here. I put a little bit of oil. Here. Perfect Oriental spoon technique. We are going to spread it a little bit on all sides because what is going to work the most is always the side. We are going to put it about 45 degrees. Though without it coming off. If I put it directly here, maybe it can come out. If I start in the center and start extending, maybe it's easier. Okay? So we're going to go all the way up the cheekbone. Okay? So let's start, huh? We're going to start on the right in this case. Obviously, if I had 2 spoons, I could do it with 2, but I'd rather you see it straight through. Here. Let's put in a little bit and come up. Okay? And here we change a little bit. I'm going back. There we go. Okay? Right here. And the other side. How long? Well, just a little while is enough for me. Careful not to. Nailing this part? I'm fine, eh? You can see I'm fine. Careful with nailing this part, but here stretching. But there. Another side. Pressure. Well, a little firm pressure. That is to say, press but without any pain, but you should feel the pressure of the spoon. This exercise is important to improve circulation and firmness of the whole skin of the whole cheekbone area. Third massage to raise a little bit the cheekbones. This is a COVID massage, okay? You have already heard me in a video, and if not, look it up because it is very, very interesting, the COVID massage. Yo, how are we going to do it? Take a look. Well, we are going to do it with 2 little fingers at first. We are going to start working all along the jawline, not below the bone, but above the bone up to the temples, okay? This is the path. Constant pressure. Medium and firm pressure. Here we're going to repeat it about 10 times on both sides. Okay, that would be the first part. I also facilitate a little bit the musculature. And we are also going to start to produce a little bit of collagen. And the second part. Second part would be with the fingers. And pay attention, because this is very interesting. We can do here, but I want us to do something else on the cheekbones, okay? Let's do it here, okay? You can do it with 2 or 3 fingers. I mean, this would be one to activate, but what I want is this. Up. Under the bone. And also, about 10 times. Third massage. Well, we continue a little bit with the facial lift, and this time we are going to do facial yoga for the cheekbones. How are we going to do it? Well, notice that it has 2 parts. First 2 little fingers. I'm here cheekbones, but I'm going to the forehead, stretching a little bit, huh? Okay? Like if I bring here, but without taking my fingers. Okay, once we're here, now we're going to do a big aho with the mouth. And stretch there. Okay, I mean, first we stretch, and then the ho. Shall we hold this tension? Okay? Well, we can hold it for about 5 or 6 seconds. If you make it to 10, hey, perfect. And we're going to repeat this 3 or 4 times. I'm good with 3. If you want to do it again, great. I'm going to repeat the last one. Come on. I'm stretching. Ho. And here what we are going to do above all is to tone up the whole part of the mouth and also the musculature. And let's go to the last massage. And if you remember, I told you that the last one was very important to do it at night. Let's see. You can do it in the morning. It will be very good for you too, especially if you have the crucifixion. But if you do it at night, you will release more tension and you will also work on what we are doing today, which is the cheekbones. What would the massage be like? Well, we are going to do it with knuckles. So the pressure should not be too strong. Medium pressure, but deep. Okay? And what are we going to do? We're going to do this route. Look at this, right here. Almost reaching the temples. Without reaching because we're going to go over the bone a little bit. But here, but with knuckles. That is to say, a little bit deeper. We start here. And we finish in this part. Okay? I recommend a little bit of oil. If you don't have a very dry face, okay? Especially the knuckles. Of course, I'm not going to put it anywhere else, obviously. Here, I'll put it on first and then here. A little bit goes a long way, huh? I'm coming over here. Okay? I'm coming to the cheekbones. I'm going to go down and I'm going to do this. Like I'm drawing a half smile right here. I do this. And up. Okay? Laughs. I do it again. And up. Okay? Approximately about 30 times to do it. And well, you've got the best cheekbone lifting massages. And even have a much fresher, much younger face. And remember this, you have to do this not 1 day or 2 days. This is a commitment thing. Weeks. 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, and your face ends up super. As always, to healing and beyond.